Good morning. Welcome everyone. Happy Friday times. Cheers guys. Good morning. Good evening. Ha ha ha. Hey. How you doing? How do you feel today? Look at that. We're out here sitting above the weekly opening. Weekly opening. Good morning. Let's make some money. Good to see you, chat. Good to see you, lovely community. What's up, everyone? Let me go ahead and share the presentation. Make sure you do the same thing. We need minimum 180 likes today to do the giveaways. And I'm not joking, right? Minimum 180 giveaways to do the giveaways. 180 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a lovely time. Happy Friday, everyone. We're gonna attack the targets as usually, relentlessly go for the best. You guys know what happened yesterday. Ha 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 ha. We made more than $30,000 on our Lucid Flex account. More than 30 freaking grands. In a single day, and no consistency. So I'm about to smash the things here for the Nasdaq soon. Looking into the broader picture, this is not going anywhere. You wanna bounce? You wanna bounce? Good morning, welcome everyone. What a great chat. So we're trading the YRM, which is still running their big promotions. We're trading Lucid, we're trading Tap 1 futures, and we're trading, if we got some time, we're going to do Savius as well. $180 likes to do the giveaways. 180. And sign up for the formula. Well, quite interesting the way the price action looks like. Double bottom on yesterday's low, so we just came back today. What is that telling you guys? We came all the way back to 320s. What does that say? Yep. Daily opening so high. So time to speak about the YRM. We have 7,752 on this one. 7,752. The payout target is 8,000 for the 150,000 instant funded, which means we need 250 bucks. Right? 250 bucks needed, and we're taking the payout. Today is day number 6 of trading. And we need 8 days. So we'll need Monday and Tuesday. And we're taking a $3,000 payout from here. This is what I'm going to trade right now. I think this is an interesting level here to continue the momentum. 5 minute is not looking bad, guys. 5 minute. Lovely. $162. Oh, but we traded the wrong account. We traded the wrong account. I mean, I'll take this money here too, but we traded the wrong account. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, we should have selected the other. I was not focused. We made money on the wrong account. Now it's time to do money. I mean, it's not the wrong account, but it was not priority. I did want to trade the other one first. Certainly not the wrong account. Still on my schedule. Pouring some nice green tea back and forth. I already have close to a liter today. I'll make it to 2 liters of green tea. I'm gonna smash it. 518 for the daily VWAP. You don't want to underestimate that. Good morning, welcome everyone. Trading the YRM accounts. Still running under big discounts, and major news will come out early April. Thank you guys for joining. We don't have any rat folder news. No. Nothing rat folder for today. Had enough this week. I don't know about this supply here. I don't think we're gonna see any major rejection here. I think we will buy it up. I think this candlestick is having a good chance. If not this, the next one to close green. We'll see. But the price action is seeking that, right? So we at least have to take liquidity above the wick we made earlier. Let's supply here, obviously. Not a good idea. Getting into my trade evade. I like to trade over there too. Wow. That's a freaking deep retracement. I've DC'd into my business. I've longed it here too. It was not the best entry for the YRM, certainly. We pushed a lot down. Certainly I was going for the continuation. Let's see what's happening, guys, with the Quant Tower. Can we do a proper rejection here in the last 3 minutes of this candle and have the next one green? Did not expect this candlestick to be so powerful. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Look at that. Putting my stop loss here, and that's crazy. This is so freaking ugly. So freaking ugly. What a dump, 40 points from a decent looking situation. The pattern has been rejected. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Look at that. It's coming back. coming back, obviously. It's a lot harder to make the money right now. We don't have the sizing. Trade of a trade is already in profit. But this one is, oh my gosh. I got subbed out. Exactly on point. Let's see if we can recover from a $4,000 loss here today. Seaport showing up. We haven't received acceptance below the 60s, but now it's going to be quite interesting, this candle. Now it's going to be quite interesting, this candle. Oh, look at that one, guys. Who's back? Right here. 200 grand. We're trading the account that has 200 grand inside. Oh, good morning. Good day, everyone. 200 grand in this account. Bonjour. $200 grand. We brought this account yesterday to 200 grand. Today's day number 5. Day number 5 here, and we're gonna be going for the payout. I only need 250 bucks, I think. I don't need more than that, I think. Let me double check, right? 250 bucks, and we are taking a payout. There is actually 2 accounts in that situation, yes. Here's the account, guys. This is the account with 200,000 inside. Yesterday we made $38,000. The day before, $6,490. First day, $5,287. Look at the values we've made here, guys. That's pretty much insane, right? Lucid Flex is no consistency and target on the funded stage, right? So once you become funded, you trade like this, and you're printing. Alright, so no consistency and target. Look at that. 38,584. How hard is to find prop firms and value that amount of money? Usually in prop firms, because of the consistency, you can't value this money. I'm out, by the way, here. I'm out because I think we have sufficient, guys. 386. So the payout has been confirmed on this one. Payout secured, celebration time. Payout secured, celebration time. $3,000 payout secured on this 150,000 Lucid Flex. We're having 200 grand inside. Payout has been secured. Next account is this one where we have a trade. Thank you, guys. $3,000 per cycle. That's the max cash out on your 150. Oh. Exactly. Literally, look at that, guys. This is looking beautiful, right? We have 4 grand here loss. from being just 200 bucks from the payout. You guys like this trade? Hopefully it holds. I'm gonna cash out every 5 days, 3,000. Every 5 days, 3,000. This is so bad, guys. I'm out. Except at 1,350 lost there, but I'm out from here as well. This is so bad. Incredible. What's wrong with this price action? This is so bad. Unbelievable. What a candle we had earlier on the 1 minute. And the way this whole thing transformed. 30 points down in 30 seconds. This is so bad. Exactly, guys. So we're speaking about Lucid Flex 150,000 is what I have there. You can, you know, think about the 50k or the 150k. Use the coupon Scramble, it will give you the maximum discount. And you see what prices you got. Here's the link, guys. No follow up, no follow down. It's just, you know, a very bad candlestick. Right, so let me explain you some price action here. We've been, you know, we have the reverse V ladder here, revisiting the liquidity, generating this triangle, pretty usual pattern. But then you're ranging a little bit, you're breaking above, and you should have momentum. Guess what? They are pushing it down. Then, suddenly, instead of seeing continuation, right, and bleeding, you have a pretty strong rejection with an engulfing and a lower high, right? So you have all the data, at least for this level, or at least for this level, to be touched. Guess what? No, we're doing this candlestick. This candlestick at some point, very close to the closing of it, very close to the closing of that candle on the 1 minute, was showing an engulfing of this whole thing. And then guess what? Right before it closes, the whole thing disappears. So that's the scam. That's the scam, and you pay. Yeah. Exactly. I prefer some mobility and dynamic approach here for this YRM. That's why I trade here like this. We're on fire. We just qualified for the payout. We just qualified for a payout on our 200 grand account. Here's the 200 grand account, and I have one more sitting quite close to that. Right? I have one more sitting quite close to that. Let's see, where are we? Have they updated? 386 today. Yes. 5 days confirmed. Here's the 5th today. Celebration time. We're taking the payout. 3,000 bucks. Haha. So make sure to like the video, guys. We need 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we don't do the giveaways. Quite simple. That's the target. 5 days profitable. I'm gonna milk the system with 250 bucks, and that's it. Right. So 3,000 here is gonna be the name of the game. And then I have this one sitting on 172. I think this is also going to be day number 5 today. Let me verify. Let me double check. Yes. This is going to be day number 5 too. Look at that. We have 4 days of trading on this one too. 3,600, 340, 4,751, and 13 grand. Today, I'm just go for the 250 bucks. And I'll take another $3,000 payout from a Lucid Flex 150,000. That's going to be $6,000 secure today. Ho, that's good for a Friday. This is the account we got to do 250. $250. I think I'm on the wrong account. Yeah. I've been on the wrong account. Now we're in the right account. 250 bucks. I'm out. We only made 74. It was showing a lot more. We also got in along here. Look at that. Can I save this account, guys, from today's hitting the daily loss limit? Look at that. Can I save this one by not hitting the daily loss limit? You know what's the daily loss limit, guys? And you know what loss we have here for today? We have a 4,388 loss. And I got in that trade. The daily loss limit for the YRM, 150,000 instant funded, is daily loss limit 4,500. So from being away of the daily loss limit by what? $122, right? $122 away from the daily loss limit. Can we save this account? I'm not closing yet. I'm not closing yet. $112 away from the daily loss limit. I'm not closing yet. I'm not closing yet. It's time to sell partially. I sold half of it. Another one. And I'm fully out. 2,440 less. Celebration time. We made like 2,000 bucks right now. Almost 2,000 bucks, guys. Can I save this one? Put it on profit? Can I do that, guys? What do you think about? Boom. Oh my. Can we save the situation? Wow, what a price section. Imagine not getting out of the trade. Imagine not getting out of the trade. Look at that price. Imagine not selling. It would have been a disaster. And if I save the account, it's a disaster for the prop firm. Not even 122 daily stop loss. It was not the max loss, it was the daily stop loss, right? But this account was so close to the payout, and I did a silly thing today. And let me just recover. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to trade for the upside. I don't think this is going back all the way up. I think this is going down from here. So I'm shorting here. I'm a shorted on trade of A2. Yeah. And I'm a shorted from Quantower with a Lucid 2. I'm usually explaining the approach towards the market while trading here in the live stream. I think it's much more efficient for the community and for the people to clearly see that I put my actions in a place where my words are. Right, when there is no skin in the game, it's easy to talk about trading, it's easy to talk about the markets, it's easy to make videos without the skin in the game. You only talk about theoretical great things that are maybe impossible to put into practice most of the time, or unfeasible or whatever. But at the same time, I think the value of education comes from the executional side of the model, not from the theoretical part of the model. So I don't believe in education without execution. I don't think that... I don't like this candlestick. This is so silly price action today, guys. So silly price action today. We should have seen this candlestick the other way around. That's insane. This is so bad. This price action, guys, is so bad. This is insane, guys. I never seen anything like this. Look at this 1 minute candlestick. This is so freaking bad. I'm back to my daily loss. This is so freaking bad. I haven't seen anything like this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable price action. Putting my stop loss there. Unbelievable price action, guys. This is so freaking bad. $4,520. This is so freaking bad. No idea what are they hunting, but hopefully not me. This is so freaking bad. We have DCA'd right at the top where we have supply. Bring it down, boy. So freaking bad price action. We have performed really well constantly with such situations as well. Yeah, a little extra exposure here. Not an issue. We have a ton in the account. Right, so even if I take a 4,000, 5,000 loss here, I'm still going to do my 250 bucks next days, and we still have 20,000 in the account here. I don't want to lose in a silly manner. Re-adding a little bit to this here. We just wicked above. Let's see if supply turns in. Bring it down, boy. Come on. Let's see if the supply reacts here. 50,000 Lucid Pro, I suggest you basically to stay around the micros. You know, go for base hits. Take 4 or 5 days to pass your evaluation. Do not hurry up. Right, so very important, guys, to dedicate time for the evaluations. Dedicate your time to the evaluation. Do not expect them to be passed in a matter of the minimal days. That minimal days is certainly not your target most of the time, and it shouldn't be. Right, so the quicker you try to do it, the faster you want to pass your evaluation, the more money you gotta do quicker, and that is most of the time impossible. So the price is way higher than the benefits of doing that, even though the satisfaction might be higher to pass an evaluation in the, you know, minimum days. Satisfaction do not means equal with money, right? So let's make money even if we're not satisfied the way we make that money. I think that's fine. Let's make money even without that level of satisfaction of passing the evaluation in 2 days or 3 days. You know, allocate 4 or 5 days for the evaluation. Trade it accordingly to your funded approach. Look at that. Bring it down, boy. This candlestick should be brought down. We have a limit here and we have a clear rejection, but that is insufficient for the moment. This candle has to be brought. We have $1,000 here profit for the tap on futures account. I'm targeting 2,700. We have some profits here running too. But I certainly need weakness at this level. I need weakness. Yeah, just need to be made, but I don't like what's right here for the moment. I don't like it. Yeah, I believe I have to accept the mess and see that supply generating a reaction. Come on, guys. It's not looking bad, so this 1 minute should have the strength to continue. Trade of 8 looks great. This boy out here looks great as well. And I believe our Quant Tower is going to look juicy too. I want to sell partially. Next candlestick needs to be red for me. Next candlestick has to be red for me, guys. We kind of have... We kind of have the target, right? I'll put a trailing there. We have the target, guys. We have 400... No, we have $545 secured. Close P&L. We have the target here, guys, for today. So payout is secured. Watch that. As soon as I close my trade, the money is going to appear here on Lucid. As soon as I close my trade, the money is going to appear there, guys. So we have secured a second payout today. Second $3,000 from Lucid Flex 150,000. Boom. I'm just leaving this one open for the love of the game. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah. YRM is taking a little more than a week right now. Can go up to 10 days. YRM is slow right now, and they said they're going to fix it. So... Put a stop loss break even there for the YRM. I'll take my money from here too. Only 30 bucks. Nah. And probably we touch here 689. 689. Time for me to refresh the page on Lucid. Even though I don't think... Oh my gosh, so they updated this in a matter of 3 seconds. Look at that. 689 is here. Ha 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 ha. Payout confirmed. 2 payouts. 2 payouts confirmed, guys. 2 payouts confirmed on Lucid Flex 150,000 today. $6,000 confirmed. Thank you so much, guys. There you go. 180 likes to do the giveaways. Remember, we have a little less than an hour to reach that target, guys. Ha 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 ha. Will upgrade. Look at that. This is the way I've been trading. That's why numbers are coming out like this. We might go for that daily VWAP 200 EMA. Daily VWAP 515. 200 EMA of the 5 minutes 532. You want to think about it, guys, or... This is another flex we made. Yeah, this is the one we have 200 grand inside. What about this? This is not really having that much of a money. What about this? It's 157,790. Let me see what's the tone of this account. So... How many days? We only have a single day, 7,790. But listen up, guys. This is the way I'm going to trade it. 250 here. Minimum. 250. 250. 250. And that's it. We're going to the bank. That's 1,000 extra. It's going to be 8,800. That's enough. We're taking max payout. Enough is enough. Exactly, Jonathan. Yes, Lucid Flex. It is the best from this standpoint. You see, this amount of money that I have yesterday on multiple accounts is not possible. It is not possible if you have consistency. Right? And that money I made yesterday is kind of securing multiple payouts. What kind of payouts? Payouts that are going to be worth tens of thousands. And this is all coming from a single day. Ha 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 ha. I could take it to 200 today. Maybe not on Friday. Not on Friday. I haven't received a phone call from the market makers today, which is something I did yesterday. Fridays. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to request a payout for the moment on the 2 accounts with the 6,000. And you know why, right? because I want to have 5 ready to be requested at the same time. We got 2 ready to be requested. I'm not financially pressured to request right now. This would be the 3rd you're watching right now. This would be the 3rd. 2 are ready to be requested. This would be the 3rd. And I need 2 more. Yeah. Yeah, I was letting the winners run on max size, which is very hard, guys. It's very hard. It's almost like you don't need to care about your trade. It's almost like you don't give a about what's happening there and how much money can it produce. Otherwise, if you start doing math and calculations, you quickly sell. I use Lucid Flex. Forget about Apex. Forget about. Yes, I'm going to become eligible for the payout, Jonathan. And the account is going to sit on being eligible for the payout. If I have to trade even in 25 days, I'm going to do micros, 1 micro trade, $50. Something like that, right? I'll leave the trade open for a minute, $50 every 20 days if I don't get to have 5 accounts during the time frame ready. I'll just do 1 micro or 5 micros or 10 micros. It doesn't matter. The accounts are having a lot of resources inside. I'm going to leave them open for 20, 30 seconds, 1 minute, whatever, and close that trade out, right? So I can extend the period for unlimited time. Yeah. Well, if you read between the lines with Lucid, AG mentioned this specific thing that I've been discussing and talking about. People making, because it's no consistency on the funded stage, like 20 grand in a day or 10 grand in a day, and then just doing the minimum, right? I mean, this is something they're not really a fan of, for sure. But they're allowing. They have a minimum $250 per day. So I know they don't like that, but they're allowing it. $250 a day and unlimited on the best day, right? Buenos dias. How long do payouts currently take in YRM? 10 days. Something like that. Too much. Hopefully they will fix it. They're paying. They have no problems in the payouts, but it's taking a lot right now with their system that is under work on the automated side. Their automated system is under maintenance. So I just want to do $250. Yes, we're not on fire today after taking 6 grand. We are cooked. Yeah, they were working for the automation since 1st of February. Yeah, I told their CEO sales are down. He knows that. They know that sales are down. People lose trust, credibility. They have to quickly act and address the problems. People are not reacting badly because they are getting paid. But they're getting paid slow. Payouts are running out on batches. Each payout is pretty much scheduled, running out in batches. You know, there is a pretty numerous executive team, and they might have to see their sales going down in order to wake up. Yeah, Lucid is within minutes. Automation, in the way it used to be, because you know, guys, they used to be paid on the same day. That's the way they paid, right before 1st of February. They were paying on the same day. New customers, they're not joining. It's simple. So automation used to be having a certain level of filtering and verifying the activity of the trader, which they said is insufficiently good, insufficiently adapted to the behaviors and to the way certain traders are trading and acting. So it has to be upgraded, and in the meantime, we go and we approve manually, we schedule payouts, and we offer the payouts in batches. This was their solution. Accepting the consequences of the decrease of sales and all the other things. I've been speaking with their CEO twice a week. I had a chat with their CEO on Monday this week as well. Monday or Tuesday. Lucid is extremely stable. Lucid, extremely. Testing out along here. We also got in along at this place too. Trade of 8. Bring me that cash. Take profit right there. Take profit over here. Pretty simple. Base hits. Base hits. Especially for this one, that's on this one I'd like to make a little more. But the one that has 157, I don't need to do more than yes. This is kind of the reason I've been longing. The algo line plus the downtrending support. Support trending line here. We might get to see this one holding a little bit, giving us a bounce. We haven't touched the daily VWAP 514 at the top, so yeah, we touched one of the targets for the wire. Yes, for the Lucid. 329, guys. 158 in the account. You know, base hits, minimum 250. We have 158, so we only do the minimum the rest of the days. This is day number 2 for this account. We still have to trade for 3 more days, and then we're going to have 3 accounts ready to cash out. So the trade that is active here, it is running on this account, which is quite close to... Yeah. I tried fund the next future, but their products have been a little bit different. Not that enjoyable at the time I was looking into their products. We'll have to see their latest products and the way they are. Maybe there's a bit better right now. Oh, Martin. Ha ha ha. They got the data. So if they need to change the rule, they will change it, right? And they can see me on live stream. $800 here. This week, we qualified for a payout on YRM, and we qualified on a payout, 2 payouts on Lucid. $9,000 this week, and we lost an account of $450. So this week we lost $450 an account, and we got 9,000 in payouts, but that's 90 to 10 split, so it's 8,100 net. The ratio this week is $450 lost, 8,100 profit. Let's go, guys. 60 more likes. We got to touch that. And the next minutes. In order to do the giveaways. I'm gonna be out for the moment from here. 5.99, and I'll be out from here too. 47. 47, 5.99. This is much better. Tap 1 futures elite daily payouts, and no consistency on the funded stage. And then here we've closed it at 211. I think I need a little more. Yeah. Haven't traded London yesterday, for example, when we made a ton. We have the opening in 12 minutes. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to join our Discord. You got a part of our community right there. Especially if you want to join the giveaways. You got to be part of the Discord. Lovely moves, right? Ho ho ho. Got into the long here. Lovely. 324. That's great, guys. It's above the minimum. It's a base hit. 324. We're gonna celebrate. I love stacking up profits. I think it's mandatory. That's lovely. No, I have not traded CFDs. 324, it's enough. I gotta train myself to do these days of 250 base hits. Gotta train myself to do this. Are we holding on that support line, guys? Tell me a little more. I gotta train myself, mandatory, exactly hitting that 250 base hits. Maybe just get out of the minis and touch the micros. Yeah. Have more flexibility, because I can adjust from the micros differently. And 250 is feasible with micros at the same time. So I think I should get out of the minis with these accounts that are already sufficiently high on the targets, on the balance, and only need 250s. Yeah, support line is reacting and it's delivering. Welcome everyone, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Maximum discount scramble coupon code pretty much everywhere we're trading. I got no trades active right now. Nothing. 10 minutes to go. Watch this price action. I don't think we do not go here. I don't think. Thank you so much, guys. We still gotta collect 50 likes and we have about 30 minutes. Ho ho, can we do it? Otherwise we can't do the giveaways. Have you signed up at Formalo? Link is in the chat or Discord. I had a long from the support trending line, but I got out. The 1 minute was not looking good for me. Oh my gosh. Should have monetized this move. 15 points, 20 points. Oh boy. You can't monetize it all. It's enough one day, scramble like yesterday, and then you monetize for weeks. With good money. Yeah, so if you guys want the giveaways, we need to hit 180 likes. We got 141. I'm gonna fall asleep, guys. I need some adrenaline. Mark is not doing anything. I got easy money to do. Ha 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 ha. Unreal. He's getting ready for the duck race. Or for the sack race. They cap the maximum value. And even the time, of course. like the number of payouts on the same account. $3,000 per payout, maximum 6 payouts on each account. That's why you don't want to reach to this maximum without having multiple payouts. Warming up my legs. For the ducks or for the sack? Where do you need legs? All the way back to 500, look at that. That supply worked. We have been shorting in here and we've been making money. But I'm not trusting shorting right now. Again, we have 5-minute algo starting soon. You know, pre-opening with 5-minute, the algo starts doing dirty things. Don't trust right now reshorting here on the opening blindly. Opening can be a total different justice. Yes. My coach is allowing me to win daily, otherwise he's not receiving his check. No, you're not allowed. Vintage store. No, you're not allowed. It's not an issue, Martin. You can do both ways. Prop firms are happy to pay you. Take that money. Hola, amigo. Chicos. Hola, chicos. Buongiorno. Wow, what a move. The 5-minute algo. Is running. Yeah, he's very slow, YRM. The 5-minute algo, as I said, is doing dirty things. So for those of you that have reshorted and believe the same pattern repeats non-stop, you know, the pattern repeats as long as you don't trade it. When you trade it, it's over. Ha 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 ha. How many times we have seen that? One thing happens in a cyclic way, and then as soon as we get into the same pattern, it just knocks off. Good morning, welcome everyone. I'm about to fall asleep, guys. Here we are, 23 more likes to do the giveaways. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Thank you so much. 3 minutes to go. Markets could get ugly here. I'm reshorting here. $40 micros. Bring it back, guys. Bring it back. Ha 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 ha. 2 giveaways today. No extra. Even though we have $6,000 payout today. Yes, streaming daily from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. I'm out of this, guys. Lovely here. Good money. I'm out of this one too. 1,083. That was easy. That was easy. In the way this candlestick opened, and it was staying around that level after the previous closing. 1,543 here. I'll take that all day long. Boom. And 1,083 here. Easy. All my Lucid accounts funded are hitting, got their targets today. All of them. There's no other Lucid I can trade. Lucid funded 5 of 150,000 flexes. Boom. So, we got 324, 329, 689. 386. 537, right? 5 out of 5. Here, I could still make another additional $600. Let's see if we can do it. Make sure to like the video, guys. And we hit 180. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. We're going to do the giveaway soon. We're going to do the giveaway soon. 6,000 today by Lucid. 150,000 Lucid Flex. 2 of them. Yes. Yes, Martin. As much as you earn, you take it all out. $15 seconds. Hola, amigos. Good day, chicos. I've been a couple of years when I was a little younger. In Ibiza. Ibiza. How do you call it? Opening bell. Ring my bell. Oh. Testing out a little long here. You know, we managed to do a wick right below that structure and might be sufficient. I don't know. I don't know. This is an interesting level. Lovely. I'm out here. We made some good money, like 600-700. I DCA here too. Getting back in my trade evade. If it holds, I'm gonna ride it. But this one got a little bit... Oh my god, what a rejection. No. I'm out, no. Wow. This is looking ugly, guys. This is looking ugly. We're still a little bit profitable here. You gotta watch my P&L. This is ugly. This is ugly. That's why we're reacting here. Let's see if it holds. Bring it up, boys. You know, if I close it out here, I'm gonna still have 1,000 profit for today on this account. This is in a bad shape. But the price section is still not looking that miserable. We might still be able to... Yeah, I've DCA'd here. Can't DCA more on this one. This one is in a little ugly situation. This one's just a little bit better. No. Poor reaction. We got stopped out there. Massive drop. 130, 140 points. Exactly. Max daily drawdown. Should have walked away with 2,000. Should have walked away with 2,000. Look at that. So bad. So bad. Should have walked away with a 2,000 profit here. If we break below, I'm putting a stop loss. I'm exiting market order if we break below. Otherwise, I'm still leaving this one open. Five-minute could give us something. Right? You can't have a such candlestick, guys. You can't have. $430s, $440s would be great for me. Come on, lovely. But we need some strength here, momentum. We need some strength here, momentum. Don't you dare giving up so early. Take this one all the back into 40s. Nah. Look at the amount of weakness. Just incredible. They're coming back for trailing so many times. And the danger is still there. But this 1 minute looks great right now. Hopefully it closes like this. There you go. Let's gain some momentum, guys. Give me that momentum. Alright, I am selling partially. Yeah, I sold partially. And I'm fully out. 1,135 profit. We were slightly above 2 grand profit. And that had a big loss there. But somehow we managed to reverse things around. Yeah, I'm planning to buy cheaper here. We got back in my long. I got to DC here. I got to DC here. It's risky. It's risky. Because the continuation possibilities are there for yesterday's low or today's low retouch. It's risky. It is risky. They are pressuring, guys. They are pressuring. This is do or die here. Do or die here for the price section. A little risky. Unbelievable, right? Ha 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 ha. What are they waiting there? What are they waiting here? Hard to trade, guys. Hard to trade. What are they waiting here? I got it along in my Quant Tower for the accounts that are early. Not the ones that are on the payout, but the accounts that are at the beginning of building the balances. Lovely profits, right? Lovely profits there. Lovely profits over here as well. I'm out from trade of 8. 2,680. That's perfect. 2,680. And then here is also great money. Stop loss and break even on both accounts. Oh my gosh, we're gonna run the fireworks, guys. That was great money for Trade 08. You guys saw that. We were down 4,000 earlier. It's only 1,400 bucks away from being funded. The Trade 08 one. This one's our Lucid Flex 150,000 funded. I'm leaving this one open. Because I need a runner here to collect some good money. We're only allowed 4 minis maximum. You know, the scaling with the Lucid funded on the Flex accounts. The 4 minis silly funded side. Leave it for a good runner scramble. Build that balance and go for the payout here too. This is very important, guys. Very important here. Look at that. I can go for base hits. 3-4 more days here, and I'm taking pounds on all the 5 freaking accounts. Look at that one, guys. Don't you dare. I would have been 10 minis here. Not trailing for the moment. No. They're gonna hunt for the trailings. They're hunting for the trailings. I don't want to be amongst hunted. I want to be the hunter today. Just like yesterday, we have not been trailing and we have made money for weeks. All the way back to the moon. Now it's time to trail. Now. Yes, here. We're trailing here. Here. At the bottom of the wick. If it reverses, it's a problem. There you go. I'm trailing right below the opening of this candle. Right below the opening of the candle. Perfect, guys. Let's gain some momentum here. You gotta leave your runners open as much as you can. Because this is what makes money for rainy days, and then you can go for base hits. Look at that one, guys. This is already securing. Yeah, I'm selling 2 contracts here. Sold 2 contracts there. Selling over here 2 contracts too. On both accounts. Putting my break-even trailing there. Lovely, guys. Absolutely lovely. Leaving this one open. We need these days with 3, 4, 5,000 here, and then you can go base hits. So we're gonna have basically all the 5 accounts in need only for base hits. Right, these are the last 2 trades that I'm doing, this ones. And then we start the giveaways. Ha ha ha. I'm trailing here, guys. I'm trailing here. Trailing here. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, this is looking so good. 155. The next day is only 250. We're having 5 accounts looking so good for base hits for Lucid Flex. So good. And that's $15,000 payout. Look at that. Look at this one here. 106,746. 2,400 today. Another one. You know what that means? We passed the evaluation, guys. We passed the evaluation. We made more than a... Oh! What happened with the price section here? No worries, nothing wrong. We've touched the trailing, folks, and we're going to celebrate. Boom. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, look at that. 5 grand in these conditions. Oh, we've maximized the profit, guys. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. So look at this one. It's 106,746. So it's above 106. The target is Elite Daily is 6,000. We've hit the target, guys. Which means we have an Elite Daily funded. We had one more funded in the past, but we lost it. This is going to be another one. Funded. $2,390. That's good, right? Funded. Thank you. Trade Evade. Yes, Trade Evade with Tap on Futures Elite Daily. This is funded. We made it to be funded today. Feels great. Beautiful, guys. So that's it. Time for the giveaways. Time for the giveaways. Going back to yesterday's low. No idea. So we're going to have Thank you so much, guys. We're having 2 giveaways for today. First giveaway will be 50k Lucid Pro. First giveaway. Really good work for today, guys. Really good. I'm very, very enthusiastic about it. Very. So, first account 50k Lucid Pro. How do you participate? How do you join the giveaway? Well, it's simple. You have to sign up the formula. Yeah, it was a wonderful week. Exactly. Like the video, guys. Like the video. Be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And join our Discord. Doing giveaways daily. And having a really good time. Ready for the duck race or the sack race? I'm putting my stop loss on break even in the meantime here. Let me show you guys what I did. For the same accounts. I couldn't resist not to short that little bounce, and I've shorted the top of it, right? I couldn't resist, guys. I'm sorry. Look at that. I'm out here. I'm out here too. 7,826. Look at that. It's the first day probably, right? 7,826. It's the first day of this funded. Boom. Couldn't resist, guys. I'm sorry, but it was 9 grand here. It was so clear, so easy. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Let's get back to the wheel. Oh my gosh. So 50k Lucid Pro. Watch out for the numbers. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Start right now. Start right now, guys. Guess the number. A single guess per person. Do not guess for multiple accounts. Do not guess multiple times. A single guess per person from 0 to 9. Let me know your number. 50,000 Lucid Pro is what we're giving out. This is the first giveaway of 2. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Couldn't resist not to make money on that trade. Couldn't resist. So I had to secure another 3 grand. 4 grand. Now we have 5 Lucid accounts that are sitting to only hit 250 bucks. Base hits. 2 of these 5 are ready for the cash out. We brought them today to the payout stage. And the other 3 are still needing days of 250. Days of 250. I'll have a strategy there. No spamming, Leo. Stop right there. Shuffle. We're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. So easy. Shorted that bounce. So easy. Not going to be number 93760. Will not be. Probably going to be number 2. Probably. But Jake is not here. Probably number 2, guys. There you go. Jake is not here. Should have been his day, right? But now it's time basically for Badger to win this. Are you ready, Badger? We don't have many on the duck race for sure. With a number 2. No. This has been the week of number 2. I just quit Quant Tower. I don't want to see Quant Tower today anymore. Ah. I'm gonna put your name, Badger, somewhere in the middle here. Not at the end. I'll delete it from the end. Badger and Jake. And I'll put it somewhere in the middle here. 30 seconds competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Tag team race. Look at that. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, guys? This is quite easy. Why are they so slow? Jake Henry. 227. Jake Henry, congratulations. Jake Henry. Congratulations, look at that. Where's Badger? On the 15th from 17th. Jake Henry, congratulations, buddy. Look at that one. Did you fill out the form? Jake Henry. Good job. Congratulations to the winner. 50k Lucid Pro goes out to you, buddy. Time to go for the second giveaway, which will be pretty simple. From 0 to 5, each number appears once. This is a 50k YRM. Start right now. From 0 to 5, each number appears once. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. This is easy. 6 entries. Slightly more than 15% chance for each number. Stop right there. Stop right there. It's over. Stop right there. Good job, guys. Let me do something. Let me surprise you with something. Because, you know, we had a tremendous week. Let's put another entry on the wheel and say... double the prize. 250,000 accounts, right? Let's double the prize. So if that one hits... we're not going to share 50 grand. We're going to share 2 accounts of 50. We're going to share 100 grand. We're going to double the price if that one hits. Shuffle. There you go. So. It's not going to be the double. We're not going to stop on the double. No. Oh. That could be the 0, guys. That could be the 0. Yes. Congratulations. That is a 0. Congratulations for the winners. Extremely rigged. I think we're gonna have 40-50 winners. 31. Where is Badger? Did you put your name here, Badger? Yes, I can see your name, yes. Good stuff. We're going to the sack race. We're going to the sack race. A minute and 30 seconds. I want to see you competing big time. We're going to turn the volume here. Best of luck, everyone. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Well, look at that. NQ is making money. Two entries, he's sacrificing NQ shorts for the names. There you go. Next week. Yes, last giveaway. This one. Last giveaway. We made a ton of money today, guys, on the stream. A ton of money again. Almost like yesterday. So who's going to speed up right now? Time to see who's going to stand down. And there you go. JS Shin. JS Shin, congratulations, buddy. That you filled up the form, JS Shin. I think you did. Yes, you did fill up the form. Congratulations. Congratulations. There you go. Congratulations. Here we are. Good job, guys. Well, look at that. Look at that price section going dirty, having a new low. Thank you once again, guys, for the amazing time we had this week. It was extremely productive, a bunch of learning, and of course, our community did saw a good experience, especially yesterday and today. But actually, the whole week was really well performing. Thank you so much, guys, once again. See you on Monday. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely weekend. Wish you the best one out there. Peace, relax, enjoy your time, and take care. If there's anything, reach out on Discord. We talk to you there over the weekend. Scramble for the max discount. Have a lovely time, lovely day. We'll talk to you.